This 2010 Audi A4 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Audi A4 Premium Plus 6-speed manual Bang & Olufsen Premium Sound System Carbon Fiber Interior Trim Navigation System 2.0L Turbocharged 4-cylinder engine 6-speed manual transmission Quattro all-wheel drive system Navigation System Rear Parking Aid Heated front seats Memory seats Accent and headlights Adaptive Light Control System Power Windows Cruise Control Dual Power and Heated Exterior Mirrors Keyless Entry Black Exterior Black Leather Interior. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2010 Audi A4 Premium Plus is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the EV, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.